In this video, we want to see whether the sum from n equals 6 to infinity of tan n times e to the negative n squared converges or diverges. So this is a good problem to use the integral test. We're going to find the integral from 6 to infinity of tan x e to the negative x squared. And for that, we'll use a u substitution. Let u equal negative x squared. Du is negative 2x. So this thing is just u. And this will just be negative 5 and then du. Now, the limits here are x equals 6 and x equals infinity. So when x is 6, we plug it into this formula, and we get u is negative 36. And as x approaches positive infinity, u approaches negative infinity. So now I can flip it. So this will be negative from negative infinity to negative 36 of negative 5 e to the u du. But the two negatives here will become positive, so that's why I have positive 5 e to the u. And then we need a limit because we're going to infinity. This is an improper integral. So when I do the antiderivative of 5 e to the u, I get 5 e to the u. And then I have to go from b to negative 36. So I plug in negative 36, and then I plug in b, subtract those two. So as b approaches negative infinity, this goes to 0, so I'm left with 5e to the negative 36. And this means that the series will converge by the integral test.